for watching the TMC Roadshow. My name is Rich Tehrani. We're in San Jose. The year is 2012. On our program is Artie Chang. He is the president and CEO of PanTerra Networks. Artie, welcome to the show. How are you?
Great. How are you?
Things are fantastic. This roadshow has been great. We've met with a lot of interesting companies, and I'm thrilled to hear about what's happening at yours.
Well, it's been an exciting year for PanTerra Networks. We have introduced a lot of new products. Probably the one that's most exciting is our product called CentraCloud. It's our fully managed version of cloud-based unified communication services for small and medium-sized businesses. So now we can deploy all of your communications from the cloud, your voice communications, your video, your web collaboration, your email, your messaging, all from the cloud, and it's all managed from one company. Your bandwidth, your hardware, your phones, the services themselves, all managed from us.
So tremendous productivity gains, right?
Absolutely. Productivity gains. As you know, when you deliver services from the cloud, the business model is not to have to invest all this money up front and buy hardware and put it on your premise, which has all sorts of challenges from essentially upfront money to problems with reliability of actually running a service in your office where power can go out and you can have all sorts of problems.
So what sorts of trends are you seeing in the market?
We're seeing that more and more companies are really moving their infrastructure to the cloud, and they're realizing that the cloud offers them so much better productivity, as you pointed out, better economics, and really better service as companies become worldwide and global and multi-location. So we're really on the leading edge of that and delivering unified communication services to these companies no matter where their employees are in the world.
So from a competitive standpoint, what do you see in the market?
Well, cloud has been around now for a couple of years, so we were very much the leader a couple of years ago, and now there are other people who have come into the space, and that's great for us because we're both the technology provider as well as the service provider. So we do both. We deliver the service ultra reliably, but we also innovate. We're not just reselling somebody else's product. We're actually building the product, responding to our customers' needs and wants and desires, and looking out into the future and being able to deliver those cloud services to, again, make them more competitive in the industry.
It's great. So in terms of a typical customer, is there a kind of customer that should know that when they're watching this that they should buy from you, or is it a product for everyone? How do you?
It's really a product for businesses. We're not a consumer-based solution. We're a business-based solution, and typically we want businesses, or we go after businesses that have multiple locations, because really trying to implement communications across multiple locations is a very challenging aspect. But in terms of the types of businesses, we transpire across virtually every type of business, whether it's retail, government, financial, medical, attorneys, law firms. They all need communications. They all want the best communications they can to connect with their customers or their clients at the lowest cost.
So what's next?
Well, that's what's really exciting, and we have some really exciting features coming out this year. I can't divulge them just yet, but if you think about it, we started with unified communication, so connecting all of your messaging services, your collaboration services, your voice services, your video services, and your audio services to make your business more productive. And you can imagine delivering that from the cloud. We've already implemented a highly reliable cloud delivery system as a service provider. Now that we have that cloud infrastructure in place, you can imagine us delivering more services beyond just communications. And think of, what do companies really need to be competitive in the world? They need more than just communications. They need other types of services. And you're going to see us delivering these other types of services through our high reliable cloud deployment system.
Excellent. Hopefully you'll come back and brief us again on what those new services will be.
I really look forward to it, Rich.
Thanks. Thanks for being here.
All right. Thank you.